So welcome to part 2 of my video. With this tool here, I took out those rubber pieces that are in here, and we have 4 screws. Okay, put parts to the side, and I have the batteries in here. I don't know if I need to remove them. Maybe it's a good idea to do that. Removing the batteries, put them on the side here just in case, and then I turn the battery around. I can probably open this camera. Oh, there it goes. Look at this. It's ready to be opened. Now, let's have a look inside here. There is no water in here. And if we look on here, we see that there is a battery here. That is very interesting. And other than that, no water inside. So what we can do is I can take this battery out and we take a look at this, if it is good or bad. And the question is, how do you get it out? You know, is this a battery that is soldered on? Or can you scoot it out sideways? It looks like it's, yeah, you can scoot it out to the side this way. Now, I'm going to try to use a plastic tool for this. You shouldn't do this with any metal tool, but we're going to go here and see what this is. Look at that. It is a 2032 battery. The question is, can I grab it? It's so hard to get out. There it is. It's a CR lithium battery, 3 volts, CR 2032. Now, this is very easy for me to replace. I just need a new battery. Take a quick check if I have one. I do have a bunch of batteries here. Look, an energizer. Plug that in here. There we are, in. And then we're going to, take a look here. We're going to plug this back in, like this, and plug in new batteries. And then we take another look if this worked. You know, you never know. Maybe we can reactivate this camera. Battery case closed. Turn it around and let's put the SD card in. And let's turn it on and see what happens. Isn't that a bitch? Same problem. So we wasted yet another battery here to have the same problem. It just doesn't turn on. Let's see, is there any reset button? Oh, there is a little LED on here. You can see that. Don't know what that means. That means power is on. Oh. See, it's on the power, but what does it mean? Is there anything broken? Yeah, this is on here, okay. Yeah, I don't know any of this, if this is good or bad. We have this battery on here, but I don't know. The screen does not come on. What's the problem? So we could remove the screw, those two, and lift this off. Or can we lift this off as it is here? Oh, looks like it. We can. Oh, look at that. Okay. So, what do we see here? There's the camera with a thing where we can disconnect and reconnect the camera. Here. There. Display does not come on. There's a sensor here. Here's plus minus. Stuff happening under the display. There is a display connector there. Don't remember the buttons. There's the back button and the OK button. So this would be the OK button. Yeah. Don't know what the problem is. It's the light here is on, but what does this mean? Any of those chips broken, or what is happening here? You know? I hope to say. Don't know. So all I can do is put this back together and then put the screws back on. You know, does this do any good? Oh, here, look at this. I forgot the buttons. See, the buttons are gone here. They have to go in here. There we go. So buttons go back in the hole. So my question now is really, did anybody try this before? Any idea how to get this camera back to working order? What broke in it? What's wrong with it? So if I imagine I buy this thing, and it's not cheap though, right? I don't say this is a cheap camera. It costs money. And you have it in the rain and snow outside there, that's fine. But this one was not. You know, this one is sitting around here. It's dry inside. There is no oxidation on here. It just broke. And that's, in my opinion, not okay. This goes back on here. There. Close the 12-volt thing here. Let's try this again. The only thing what one could try is the secret button combination. Doesn't work. Does not work. Doesn't work. Nope. Just wasted a battery in here, huh? Taking the batteries back out. We're going to close our holes here. There. And then I'm going to write an email to the manufacturer and see what they say.